Forest's packaging has focused on paper packaging since 1986. It's a top 30 paper packaging enterprise on mainland China. Its premises occupy more than 1 million square meters. The building area of 600,000 square meters, with planned assets of more than $230 million. With core competence in color carton boxes, Forest's packaging is a stable partner for outstanding customers such as Bayer, Macy's, HP, and Jockey. Every year, Forest's packaging develops business cooperation with new big customers. With honest and sincere working attitude, Forest's packaging is becoming the first and best choice for domestic and foreign customers. Forest's packaging cooperates with 8 factories from waste paper recycling through making paper and all stages of printing to provide a one-stop paper packaging service to every customer. There are over 100 pieces of advanced equipment, including advanced corrugated board production lines, world-class biggest printing machines, such as the German MAN Roland, Heidelberg Speedmaster, the Japanese Roy-B with 4-color and 5-color options, and full series of pre-printing and after-printing machines. Based on first-class facilities, technology, and management, we are able to produce 2 billion square meters of top-grade color cartons, corrugated board, and paper products annually. With advanced machines and a rational system, we are confident that you will be satisfied with the boxes. Depending on our advantage and professional packaging production, Coffe Packing has been awarded many international certificates: BSIC, Lowe's, SGS, FSC, ISO 14000, G7, etc. Every certificate proves premier quality and considerate service by Forest's packaging. Forest's packaging has devoted itself to international markets since 2006 and developed more than 100 markets around the world in the last 13 years. Major popular markets are the USA, Australia, Canada, Europe, etc. Our nice products and amazing service are spoken highly of by our customers. That is why Forest's packaging is growing stronger to being a famous paper packaging brand in the world. Forest's packaging, a name that you can trust.